Sisemakhiweni omzimkhulu wezokurhatsha wobhodwe Malehe kulapho sihlolwa besirhatshelwa khona indaba nanzi ezijujileko.
They're gonna give us the full information for those who passed away and for those who survived. So I don't know, I'm going to win today or whatever, I don't know.
Ibanga amathuwo yengozi yebhesi ichiye isililo esirhabiyako enhlobeni nabangani nalabo abalimeleko nababhubhele kule ngozi.
I'm advised that I will proceed. I'm proceeding, but I must note or indicate rather that I do so under protest, Chair.
Isekela likakomitjhinara wamapholisa elijanyisiweko uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya uthi ufakazi angafuni ngebanga lokuthi ilunga le-MK Party uSikhosana limmangalele emapholiseni. Bekulithabo lodwa ngesikhathi kujatshululwe bebathunjiwe ngemva kokuvumelana kwakamengameli we-Amerika nondunankulu wakwa-Israel. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kuthi ku-SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani makhaya. Undunankulu weLimpopo uDokotela Phophi Mathuba uvakatshele indawo yesihlakalo lapho kubhubhe khona abantu abama-22 kwalimala bambalwa engozini yendlela yebhesi endleleni N1 kaphandle kweLouis Richard eLimpopo. Ibhesi le beyivela eGqeberha eMpumalanga Kapa ichinga eZimbabwe neMalawi nezaqalahlekelwa lilawulo. uDokotela Mathuba uthi usola ukuthi umtshayeli bekadiniwe ngikho nje ibhesi le igcine ilahlekelwa lilawulo kanti uthi ibhesi le beyilayitsha abakhweli abama-99 ekudlula isilinganiso esibekiweko sabakhweli abama-69 ekufaka hlangana nomtshayeli.
Undunankulu uDokotela Ramathuba uqinisekisile ukuthi amapholisa aphenya ngokupheleleyo ukuthola oyena nobangela wengozi le. Indlela ye-N1 ivuliwe njenganje kanti abongazimbi nemindeni yabo bathotshwa emkhumbulo.
The fact that the bus was traveling from PE up towards Harare, and in this area, if you calculate how many kilometers from Port Elizabeth to where we are now, you can't rule out a fatigue.
Isihlobo somunye wabantu bebakhamba ngebhesi leyo sithi abanye balimele ngendlela ebalekisa ingazi. Uthi selageka imbhedlela ezimbalwa afunana nodadewabo kodwana solo akamtholi. Abakhweli abambalwa balimele ukubabazikako bagijinyiswe lembhedlela eziseduze.
I have to go to hospital to Louis Richard's Hospital, Memorial Hospital, and then they can give us the message what we're gonna do today or tomorrow. They're gonna give us the full information for those who passed away and for those who survived. So I don't know, I'm going to win today or whatever, I don't know.
Nakusenjalo umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthumela amezwi wokuchiriya eZimbabwe neMalawi okusekhabula abongazimba babandakanyeke engozini lem. Estatementini esikhutshweko uRamaphosa uthi ingozi le ithinte kumbi eSouth Africa namazwe amabili la. Kanti ngale kwalokhu umengameli ufisela abalimeleko ukuthi balulame msinyana. Uthi okubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ingozi le yenzeke ngenyanga yezokuthutha lapha uhulumende abekelela phambili ukukhuthaza kulandelwa kwemithetho yendlela.
Asizwe umbono wakho ngendaba ephela kwelembukeli.
Singathi nje bese kuvume inkosi engozini yehlile olimala abantu abaningi.
Ukudinwa nokozela ukungalali inganguwo nobangela wezingozi zingaka apha ezindleleni kwezibhasi.
Gaske ikampani ezebhasi zingazama basebenzisa idriver ezimbini zizakwazi ukuphumzana.
Into ingxaki pha ezibhasi zabo hayi mina ngiziboni kakuhle ngizibona apha endleleni hayi.
Siba abatshayeli bonke baphumule endleleni nabadiniweko.
Abatshayeli laba bamabhasi amabanga amade hayi ungathi abathole isikhathi sokuthi baphumule.
Olaphile uphakala kosayething wayikhutsha 10 minutes then uthola phela kaliyethu.
Abantu ababekezelelana endleleni bangagijima kakhulu futhi baphumule.
Umbono wonke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Umholi odosa phambili ukwethulwa kobufakazi ekomishini kaMadlanga uthumela ababangamane ukusekela isibawo sakhe sokuthi ufakazi olandelako uyokuvela phambi kwekomishini le uzokuvunyelwa ukuthi athule ubufakazi phambi kwabokomishinara nabanye abahola abadosa phambili ukulalelwa kobufakazi.
Abahola badosa phambili ukwethula kobufakazi banganye ngelithi ukwethula kobufakazi obukufuze kuvikelwe. Amabanga bawavezileko afaka hlangana ukuvikelwa kwabofakazi, ukuvikelwa kwephenyo lobeleliso elisaragako kunye nokuvikelwa kwelwazi elilethwa abofakazi.
Isekela likakomishinara wamapholisa elisajanyisiweko uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya uthi sewazikhutja nje ukuya ekomishinini yeSigiyani ephenya insolo ezivezwe ngukomishinara wamapholisa kwaZulu-Natal uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Uthi ukwenza lokho angathandisisi kuhle ukuba lapho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuphikiswane njengoba ilunga leParlamente leMK Party uDavid Skhosana sele amvulele icala emapholiseni. uSibiya bekathula ubufakazi eParlamente namhlanje.
Seweza nje ukuza khona kodwana ubedosa inyawo uSibiya. Ulila ngokuthi ukuba khona kwakhe lapha kuza kuba nalapha kuchayisana khona njengombana ilunga leMK Party eParlamente uSkhosana ammangalele nje.
There was a discussion that was actually being discussed in relation to the concern that we raised in relation to one of the honorable members in relation to his participation in these proceedings, considering the fact that the honorable member is a complainant in a member that led to a session seizure at my house.
Amalunga ke kwaba ingahlukana phakathi ngendaba yokuthi abe khona na ekomidini uSkhosana namkha azikhuphele ngeqadi.
We've delayed the issue unnecessarily from day one when we raised the issue of conflict. And we delayed it. The House decided that after the first witness, we will relook at the matter of conflict.
Even on the question of a conflict of interest, it does not arise in this point because Skhosana is not a witness before this committee. He went to the police on behalf of the MK Party, not on behalf of his family, not on his behalf.
The parliamentary legal team should look at this matter, even if they don't advise us now. We are allowed to proceed now with Honorable Skhosana in attendance, while we allow them to go and look at the matter and advise us whether there are any legal grounds for him to be recused.
Kuthe ngemva kokubonisana namagcwetha akhe uSibiya wethula ubufakazi nokho angakhanuki.
I'm advised that I will proceed. I'm proceeding, but I must note or indicate rather that I do so under protest, Chair, in case at the ultimate end, because I will be participating in a process that I believe could be tainted.
Ilunga le-Democratic Alliance eParlamente uLisa Shikling uzikhuphile yena ekomidini yesikhatshana le waveza ibanga lokumangalela uSibiya emapholiseni.
Kubanjwe imbizo yokuhlomisa bomma kezomnotho nakezemali nakuthathwa inqundo. iWomen 20 Summit ibanjelwe eJohannesburg Stock Exchange ukukhuthaza bomma bona bangasalele emva. Umbikindaba we-SABC uAzaria Khoza ulapho. Azaria, siyakwamukela ungakhe usakhele umkhanyo ngendaba ezikhulunywa kule mbizo yabomma khathesi.
Ngilochise kuwe mhashi ngilochise nakubabukeli bakho ekhaya. Well, siyithimba le SABC News namhlanje mbukeli isakaza bukhoma namhlanje lapha esifundazweni saseGauteng. Silapha mbukeli ku W20 Summit nokuyinhlangano lapho abantu besifazana abahlukahlukene ababuya konke amagumba amanomhlaba bahlala phansi baqhamuke nomhlahlandlela ukuthi ngabe inkinga nengqinamba ezibhekane nabantu besifazane lapha emhlabeni singazisombulula kanjani na. Uzokhumbula mbukeli ukuthi iG20 izobanjwa kokuqala ngqa lapha ezwenikazi iAfrica. And joining me right now for lengxoxo mbukeli, I'm joined by Vonani Rikhotso noyihlalo kwezoguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Vonani, welcome to SABC News. We are on the first day of the summit. I just want you to tell me a bit about your expectations. What are you hoping that the women of Africa could learn from le ngqungquthela yanamhlanje?
So the summit starts today, but our work started at the handover to South Africa's tenure for the W20 and the G20 in December last year. So for me, in terms of what am I looking up to, right? We've done a lot of work over the year in terms of elevating and prioritizing issues of women with a specific focus of women in the global south, women from villages, to try and elevate and be the voice of those women who might not necessarily have the platform to speak to our leaders at the G20. So this is a platform where the outputs of that work come through. It is also a milestone. Women 20 is celebrating 10 years. And in this summit, what we've seen is ladies going and measuring the impact that we've had, the recommendations that we've had, those that were implemented, and the quality of that implementation. It is also inspiring. I'm in climate justice, the environment, and food security. It is also inspiring to see what other women have done from other task teams who I might not have worked with closely in terms of STEM and the digital divide, in terms of health equality, in terms of care, and so forth. So it really is a wonderful day.
It's very, very important. Now, I want you to tell me a bit about inclusion, because we know that we have a lot of women that are in the rural areas. We have a lot of women ababukele lo hlelo njengamanje eSiyabuswa kwaMhlanga, and they feel left out because they think these things are happening in the big cities. How do we then bring those women into the conversation to make sure that they're also part of the change?
So this summit does bring with it women from those areas. I'm a woman from Limpopo. I grew up in the villages of Giyani. So I think I also carry the voices of those women with me. We also have a policy brief that will be shared and communicated from tomorrow. And its focus is on rural women specifically. So we do carry those voices. For those who might have been inside right now, the last panel that was there also focused on, I think it's Sweet Waters, and the voices of those that come from that rural area. So I can say to each and every woman who comes from any village or any rural place in South Africa, in the global south, and elsewhere, that their voices are represented today. And we've got people who their work in life is to research the needs of those women, and they carry their voices and represent them today. So rest assured, you are valuable, and we have considered your needs in this summit today.
Ake mbukeli loyo uVonani obekhuluma ngokubaluleka of including abantu besifazane abasemakhaya. Right now, I am joined by Magdalene Khalile. Welcome to SABC News, ma'am. You work a lot with human trafficking, and we've seen a rise of numbers in human trafficking. What do you think needs to be done in order for us to curb the rising numbers of human trafficking, especially in people that are living in communities where they're not doing well economically?
Thank you for having me here. I work with the organization that provides supports long-term reintegrations of survivors of human trafficking. And one of the main push factors for human trafficking is the increasing consuming of by the G20 countries that pushes young people, women and girls into trafficking situations. And being here in this conference to also push for issues for consumption of the G20 countries and the role that they contribute in, they would contribute in reducing human trafficking.
Sorry. Now, with this event and this summit being held for the first time on African soil, do you think now that is high time for us as the African continent to use this opportunity to put our problems on the table so that we are also included in the global agenda?
Sure, yeah, this is a great opportunity, and first of all, like for human trafficking, this is the first time that we're including the issue of human trafficking and modern slavery, and this is a good start to table it out and unpack the issue.
Thank you so much for joining us. Ayike mbukeli sethembe ukuthi kukhona okucoshile kule ngxoxo ebesinayo namhlanje. Okwamanje ake ngibuyisele intambo ngine studio.
Siyathokoza Azaria, loyo mbukeli bekumbika indaba wethu Azaria uKakhoza ositshejele iWomen 20 Summit lapho khona kuxoxiswana ngokuhlomisa abomma nazizake zomnotho nakezemali. Nasibuye ntolo.
Ikhotho ikhiphe isinqumo ukuthi lama tribal council amabili akakhamba kuhlala phansi abonisane ngokuthi indawo le iwela ngasobani.
Magistrata kwaMhlanga ikhuphe isahlulelo sokuthi umbuso sitshaba kwaManala Mpongo nowakwanzunza Fena bayohlala phansi bakhulume nakubhala kobabuye. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ezikhatshwa bunqopha ku-SABC1 nazikuphundileko ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, Facebook, X naku-SABC Plus #. Ikhotho kaMagistrata kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga ikhombele umbuso sitshaba wakwanzunza Fene newakwaManala Mpongo ukuthi uyokuhlala phansi ukukhulumisana ngomraro wokuphikisana njengomana kwacindeliswa ukubekwa kwekosana yePolar Park Mhlapha.
Umbuso sitshaba wakwaManala Mpongo wavela nencwadi yomlayo siqabo wekhotho khandela ukuthi kungaphakanyiswa ikosana esigodini esingaphasi kwe-NJR 19. Lapha umbuso sitshaba wakwaMzunza Fene waphakamisa khona uMahlangu njengekosana kokuthoma. Incwadi yekhotho eyayikhandela ukuphakanyiswa kwenkosi yathunyelwa ngesikhathi nabe kufanele kuphakanyiswe uMathibela. Ikhotho ibekele ngeqadi indaba mraro le yabanikela inyanga ezintathu ukuthi abayokukhulumisana ndanzi njengengoma bese babuye kiyo. Usihlalo umbuso sitshaba wakwaManala Mpongo wamukela isiqundo sekhotho.
Ikhotho ikhiphe isinqumo ukuthi lama tribal council amabili akakhamba kuhlala phansi abonisane ngokuthi indawo le iwela ngasobani. Bese uma ngabe kwenze ukuthi asikazwane sibuye size khona futhi. Akekho lapha kuthiwe khona omunye uwinile umnyaka wina ngecala.
Nabanye abaholi bezepolitiki bebakhona.
Thina sakhelene sifuna ukuthi kube nokuthula phakathi kwenitshabezi. Cala musi kunobukhosi bakwaMabhena, kunobukhosi bungwenyama bangakwaMahlangu. Thina asikhulumi ngobungwenyama bangakwaMabhena nokungabakwaMahlangu. Sikhuluma ngobunzunza nobumanala.
Okwanje imbuso sitshaba emibili le beyingakabi ukuhlanganisa inhloko malungana nalindaba.
Inkosi yombuso sitshaba wakwaManala Mpongo uMkhutshwa Mabhena uthi kunefuneko yokuthi kezinye izinto ezenziwa ephasini lamalanga la zenziwe ngokwekambiso yesintu ukuphungula imiraro esele ithuwelela ephasini ekubalwa kiyo unokuchugujuguluka kobujamo bezulu ubekhuluma eMaphanga ebeyaziwa nge-Almas Drift eMpumalanga.
Nakhona ubanjwa nje umnyanya lo uthule ngenyanga epheleleko. Mnyanya lo ukhanjelwe emabutho amakhosi namalungu omphakathi. Inkosi uMkhutshwa Mabhena uthi ngawo babe ngokuvuselela isikopilo lesiNdebele laphambilini ukuhlomisa abantu abatsha nangelwazi belisetshenziswa bokhokho.
Ezinye izinto zesintu lezi ngizo benza ukuthi mhlenje iphasi leli uhlale kuliphasi na uthandaza uNkulunkulu ukuthi akuzwe msinyana. Kungekho umonakalo sobona la namhlanje sike thola ukuthi Tekwelidala batsho nolikate umntwana yini into ezinjengalezo.
Amalunga omphakathi aphefumulile nawo.
Esikweni into ezenziwa nje kade zingekho. Ubulelesi budlangile bebungekho.
Nenidakamizwa kamalanga lawa abantwana bethu bangene kakhulu enyawupeni.
Abantu abatsha bathi nengaba kufunda eminyanyeni lo.
Thina sibabantu abatsha nasinganamathela esintwini sethu sibuyele emva sicale lapho sonne khona sicale nalapho singalungisa khona.
Iminyanya njengalena icakatheke khulu ekuthuthukiseni isiNdebele nokukhombiseni abantu bonyana isiko lesiNdebele libaluleke kangangani especially ebantwini bamaNdebele.
Nakusenjalo nekosini kosomgulatshani bekungisweso isitshaba siphume ngobuningi sakhambela umnyanya amagugu emaplasini ematsetseni jobala ngeBrongore eGauteng. Nawo lo mnyanya wokhanjelwe emakhosi ingikhulu zembusweni nesitshaba
inkosi yendawo le ikhuthaza ilutho ukuthi akhe liphungule emahugwini.
Amahugwana ndabezitha akakusendawo angithi abantu bangabusela utshwala mara amahugwana akusendawo special umntwana special intombazana.
Isiphathiswa sezokuhlaliswa kwabantu kumasipalata weTshwane Aaron Maluleka uthi abantu bendawo zamaplasa abhoti Bhrongoro abakabalibali bona njengomasipalata.
People of Brongo sprayed, people of this side, Amandebele are not a forgotten community. We will ensure that we build houses as part of our department, but we bring other departments of MMC, Ramabodu, that agriculture and environment, they continue and prosper because we've got a sprawl of land in this part that we must utilize.
Endabeni ze-SABC nginguKhamfat Masombuka e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ukuphungula umhlako wamanzi endaweni ezisemaplasini umasipalata weThembisiliane eMpumalanga kokubambisana nekhampani HCI Resources ekubaphathi bemayini yamalahle iPalisa Coal Mine banikele ngepetsi yamanzi esebenzisa amandla welanga ukupompa amanzi emphakathini wamaplasini weHokai hlanu kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Umhlako wamanzi elizoneli khulukhulu endaweni zemaplasini uyarakha kani amahlelo afana nala alisizo elikhulu emphakathini.
Umhlako wamanzi seyinto yaphambilini ezakhamuzini zemaplasini weHokai eMpumalanga. Lokhu kulandela ukwakhwela ipesi ezobanikela amanzi ahlanzekileko akulungele ukuselwa. Ipesi le isebenza ngamandla welanga okutsho bona abazokutshinga nginkhwanyeni zabo bathenga igezi ukupompa amanzi.
Metse ba tlhaka a tshelwa ka nako eo le nako eo mola dilori tsa masepala ba di utswa nakong ya bjanong ba tsaya nako go tlo tshela metse ba ka fetsa kgwedi ba lori utswitse so gone bjanong ge go na le metse mo kaone go tlo ba kaone e fela mphakathi ba nakanele dipompo ba lebelele le yona sola tsela di na le go paka lerwele ba fele ba di phumulanyana ba lebelele le magodu a iphile maatla nakong ya kajeno ba tsaya se sengwe le se sengwe.
Isikhulu se-HCI Resources uPeter Terablanche uthi ukunikela abantu isizo eliqakatheke njengamanzi kuyabathokozisa begodu abazokugcina lapha.
To be able to supply water to people who wasn't that fortunate in the past, that is really for us a proud moment.
Ilunga lomkhandlu kamasipala weThembisiliane elijeje zokuhlela nokuthuthukiswa komphakathi uObert Skhosana uthi ipetsi le izokusiza nomasipala ukunikela abantu bendawo le ezinye izenzelwa.
Nalesikhathi lesi ku-identify ama-project for ama-SLP wabo sa-identifya kule community ukuthi makube nama-borehole ukuthi i-community yalapha izokhona ukuba namanzi and futhi nathi kumasipala kuzosinceda kakhulu ngoba kuba expensive ukuletha amanzi lana ngama-truck.
Elinye ilunga lomphakathi elithola itorhwana nabe kwakhiwa ipetsi le ukusebenza kwakhe ngokuzimisela kumsize ngokuthi abe athola umsebenzi kusokontraga obekanikela umsebenzi wokwakha ipetsi le. Endabeni ze-SABC ubikelwa nguPhilemon Skhosana ngiseJohannesburg.
Siyathokoza Bongo ngendaba lotshani ngomvulo entambama. Sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bakho bezulu. Sibona lapha ke endaweni zangale ngeNorthern Cape livalile lisibekele ngamafu amathuba wezulu ayathoma lapha nge30% endaweni zeTjingalanga. Kuthi lapha endaweni zeGqeberha ubona amathuba athi 60% ngale sibona lapha KwaZulu Natal maphakathi nesifunda amathuba athi 30%. Kuthi lapha esifundeni sangeMpumalanga nakhona ke nge30%. Kunomoya ke ngeGwini elingeMpumalanga. Siyokucalela ukuthi kusasa bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sibona ke ngobunengana amathuba lawa ke kodwa we30% endaweni ezingegwini kusuka lapha ke endaweni yeCape Town ukhuphuke njalo bowuchinge lapha esifundeni sangaleke ngeLimpopo bophulukwane. Lokho ke okubonako mathuba ukuthi ke ngaba nemililo yemango ngale ngeBloemfontein nangaleke ngeUpington namkhana ke esifundeni sangale ngeNorthern Cape nalapha esifundeni seLimpopo kubophulukwane yentsheje niyelele kilezo ndawo. Lokho ke mazinga ukuchisa sithoma ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng sibona lapha ke kuyachisa endaweni eziningi ngemva kwamadina iPitori nge31 iBroncosprate nge30 kanti ke iJohannesburg kulapha ke kubo 28 Limpopo le yake sicalileko nayo iyachisa hle lapho ke eLimpopo kuyachisa hlogomele isikhumba ngale ngempumalanga nakhona ke ngemva kwamadina endaweni eziningi kuyachisa kuse Emelo lapha kubomkhondo kubomhlanga Middelburg kufuthumele bo 28 bo 29 siyangale ngesifundeni saKwaZulu Natal sibona ke naso siyachisa isifunda endaweni eziningi noma ke amathuba wezulu athe ukutholakala njaya kuza kuthoma ngokuchisa hle iMpumalanga Kapa iyachisa kubo Wilomo angithi kumakhaza iWilomo pheze ilanga lonke nalapha eGqeberha kupholile kubomakhanda imthatha ke yona iyachisa hle nge33 ngale ngeTshingalanga Kapa pholile ke iCape Town Hermanus yona ke neCape Agala sisibona ke zimakhaza napheze imini yonke kukulapha eOshoren la kufuthumele khona nge26 yalapha ke eNorthern Cape sokucala ukuthi khona kanjani Sutherland imakhaza imini yonke yenibatheni futhumele kuthi lapha ke Kimberley Kuruman khona ke kuyachisa kubo Appington futhumele iFreystata lesicalileko isifunda siya ngokufuthumala besichise endaweni eziningi ngokugcina sicalela lapha ke isifunda sangale ngeNorth West naso ke siyachisa noma ke kuthoma ekseni bebe lapha ke emini kunomoyana othi ukuphola sibona negodi ngesikhathi esilandelako Tiro
Sanamhlanje indaba ziphelela lapha. Ukhobongile.